Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September 30th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, slingshot. Inverted H, moving average bounce, inverted H. 555 inverted H, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. Impulse, correct, and we're expecting an impulse back down.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains. I expect another retrace along the way, and I expect also the price to drop down and revisit the low of the day. And as you can see, so we came down, we're retracing back up, and I expect it to fail and come down all the way, if not a little bit past the low of the day. Let's turn this down a little bit so we can get a better visual. As you can see, the price is reacting right around the 486, 486.25 area. So here soon, if there's not any buyers interested in that area, you're going to just see it drop past this area. Once it does that, we'll lock in our dollar gain, and we're going to play to the low of the day at that point.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.95 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September 30th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and moving forward, we're going to play it bar by bar. Right in this area, here, let me mark it out for you. Between the 486.25, 486.50, I expect some kind of retrace right around that area, so we're impulsing up. Right here is about a $2 move. So if we can push past with speed and violence from the 486.25, 486.50, and we can accelerate past that, we'll get to our $2 move. If not, we might go all the way up to the 200 moving average on our 1 minute chart. If not, this is probably the place that'll fail, and it'll have to come down, meet up with the 21 moving average again, and gain some power to continue on the up direction. But as always, we're going to play this bar by bar. Impulse, correct, and we're expecting an impulse back up, pushing past the 486.50 area. So let's change the transparency so we can see better. Alright, so we're having a reaction off that 486.50 area. So if we spike right up to there, whether we get our $2 move or not, if it spikes up to the 486.50 area, we're just going to close out. Hold on.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.87 move. Our first trade, we took $1.95. Our second trade, we took $1.87, putting us for two trades at $3.82 today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.